It's not going to turn out sparkly though. It's going to turn out sparkly and it just has that blue color, but it's not going to really be that shimmery clear how I want it to be. Okay. I don't know if this is working or not. I don't know if it feels like slime or not. It's turning into slime now. Just need to give it a few seconds to warm up. But if you could see some glitter in there. Yeah, you could see some glitter. Okay. And I'll get the rest. But I'll just add a bit more Tide. And I'm also going to be getting the slime off the sides too. So yeah, this is part 2 by the way. I mean, it's not really slime. I think this was a fail on this one, but the first one was so amazing. Just love to hear that crackle sound. It's butter slime, fluffy slime. Oh, look, see, okay. See, it's butter slime, it's fluffy slime, and it's regular slime. I know that's pretty weird, but I think if it's just a white Elmer's glue, it's better. But in my next video that I might make next week, not today, but next week, I think I'm going to have balloons and like put the stuff in there. Like I've been seeing these things on YouTube and on Instagram and stuff like that. So it's been really trendy, so yeah. I'm just wondering if it works. Smells good too. This is my favorite, I think, out of all. So yeah. This one I